given up. Both have been the left-handed hitters this year.
And back-to-back starts as well. And you see it again. A breaking ball, left arm side. That's into a left-handed hitter. It starts in his cookie zone, bites away from his barrel.